Good day, ma'am. I am Mr. Johnny Hovero, Section Charlie. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. It weakens a person's immune system by destroying important cells that fight disease and infection, and there is a proper medical care to the controlled HIV. Ang human virus daw kuno or HIV makahimo si og weakened na human person immune system, and pwede sa makaguba sa isang important cells na mauni ang mulaban na mo fight para sa disease to infection, para dili ma infection ng isa ka tao. Dapat naani sila, dapat din sila mawala kay muna sila ang fight sa isa ka HIV. AIDS is the late stage of HIV infection that cure when the body immune system is badly damaged because of the virus.